Good morning, everybody. So today we are going to finish on the Rainy River. So we'll be reading pages 14 to 21. So you'll need your On the Rainy River text out in front of you. What you'll be doing today is first completing attendance. You'll be doing On the Rainy River Part 3 using an Ed puzzle. And then final questions are on the Rainy River task rotation, which will be 5 points. So today you'll be analyzing O'Brien's choices in On the Rainy River to determine how they impact characterization and tone to further develop the central idea. When you're ready to move on, and some of you are ready, some of you are not, which you'll talk about to your individual classes, you're going to complete the page 15 to 21 on the Rainy River Ed puzzle. So make sure your text is out and you're open to page 15. It's in your purple packet. It's the first text. You'll click on the blue link that's going to bring you to the Ed puzzle. I'm sure what you see is a little different than me, but you'll just hit play. It's the recording that we've been listening to, so you'll follow along in your packet. Excuse me. And then there are about 7 or 8 questions. I think most are multiple choice. There's 3 open-ended questions for the ending of the text. When you're finished with the Ed puzzle, which should take you, I would think, probably about 20 to 30 minutes at most, you are going to go to week 12 module and open the final questions for On the Rainy River. It's called task rotation. So you will go to the course, 1AC or 3BD, whichever you are, go to modules, and it says final questions on the Rainy River task rotation. You should be able to type right into this document. It is a text entry box, so if there's any problems with that, please let me know. It says, after reading On the Rainy River, complete 2 of the tasks below. You must complete box 1, which is the mastery task, and then you're going to choose one other box to complete. Each response should be at least 2 sentences in length, and you're going to type directly in the box, like I said. So everyone is doing this mastery question, and then you're picking number 2, 3, or 4 to complete. Right, and really those are just based on our big themes. All right, when you're finished with that, you'll submit, and I will dismiss you before the academic advisement time. If you still need to finish the Nearpod from last class, the expectation is you do that first before moving on to the Ed puzzle and task rotation. There's only homework if you were behind to start class today and need to finish up the assignments for today, which is the Ed puzzle and the task rotation. Have a great Thanksgiving break, everybody.